Embroidery Studio has several tools to create designs. When you click on the Digitize button, these tools will appear in the center of the top toolbar. These tools are Freeform, Column, Rectangle, Ellipse, Star, and Polygon, as well as the Magic Wand, which is only active when there is an image open. The Fill method lets you select how the created shape will be filled with stitches. Whether the area will be solidly filled in, a running stitch around the edge of the shape, a satin line, a cross stitch pattern, or an applique pattern. These methods pertain to all the tools except the Column tool, which uses a separate method called Fill Inclinations. Magic Wand is a semi-automatic digitizing tool and can use all the fill methods including fill inclinations.